Configuring Semrush position tracking is a straightforward process that helps you monitor your website's ranking on search engines for specific keywords. To start, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the position tracking tool. First, you need to create a new campaign by clicking on the Setup button and entering your domain name. Then, select the search engine and device type you want to track, such as Google and desktop. Next, add the keywords you want to track by typing them in or uploading a list from a file. You can also use Semrush's keyword research tool to find relevant keywords for your campaign. After adding your keywords, set your target location to track rankings from a specific geographic area. This is important because search engine results can vary depending on the location. You also need to set your competitor list to compare your rankings with other websites. To do this, add the domains of your competitors and Semrush will track their rankings alongside yours. Once you have set up your campaign, Semrush will start tracking your rankings and provide you with detailed reports and analytics. You can view your rankings over time, compare them with your competitors, and identify areas for improvement. Best practices for configuring Semrush position tracking include tracking a mix of high and low volume keywords, setting up regular email updates to stay informed, and using the tool's filtering and sorting options to analyze your data. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure Semrush position tracking to monitor your website's ranking and make data-driven decisions to improve your search engine optimization.